Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. It's December 16th here, and I have a holiday smoky eye makeup tutorial to do to show you guys today. It's super cute. I just got this new K5 eyeshadow palette that we're going to try out, and it's going to look absolutely adorable. So our first step is to crack a bush light, because we need alcohol. Oh, that's good. Alright, let's get started. So our second step is to apply some Ipkin Radiant Cream Primer. As you can see here. So I like to do a little pea-sized dab on my index finger. Get it together. Don't need a lot, unless you got a big head like me, then you can use some more. Okay, so what's our second step? So our next step is to have another drink of bush light. So now we're ready to apply some foundation, and because it's winter and pretty dry outside, we're going to use some tinted moisturizer. So this time we're going to have two. For what?
Oh my god.
You said I was going to apply it the same way.
Just put it on the brush.
This is different.
Yeah, but show them the brush you're using and put it on the brush.
Why?
You want to do this one all over again? Okay.
How do you?
Just put it on the brush. Just squirt it
Like-
onto the brush. Yep. But show them the brush first.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Ah.
Do you want to do this one all over again?
Just kidding. So instead of applying it like we did, we're actually going to use this RT brush 101.
Real techniques.
The real techniques. And you buff it in. Oh yeah, it's good. I can feel my face getting wet already. We're gonna be beautiful, ladies. Oh yeah. All right. So now we're gonna use some concealer. It's Maybelline, New York. Already look alive. So we're gonna use the same brush, RT 101. Buff it in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Just makes that eye look so much more awake and alive. It's impressive. You can't do it with that hand. Nice. All right. Looking good. So now we're going to use some Cover FX setting powder for our concealer. Let's get the change really see. Lift that finger to tap it into the cap for all the excess to come off and swirl it around so you get a nice even coating. And then you just lightly dab where we added the concealer. To have it set up nice and beautiful. Alright. Next we're going to take some Estee Lauder bronzer. Tap, 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 tap. So now we're going to apply it to your cheekbones in an upward stroking motion around the temples, up. Oh, looks good. Oh, we're bronze. We're bronze statues, ladies. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. Alright, so I need a quick refreshment break. Because looking fabulous is hard work, and we need to stay hydrated. So next up is our blush, and it's going to be NARS, and the specific color we're going to use today is Impudique. It's a pretty color, just like roses. So we only need a little bit. So light tap tap. Brush it off. Wait. Tap twice on each cheek so that most of it gets on there, and then we'll just blend it in. Because we don't want to look like a clown. We want to spread it out nice and easy. A little bit on our nose because it's cold outside. We need everybody to know that. Next step is to apply some highlighter here, and we have Estee Lauder again because she's amazing. So we take it, do some wide swirls around it, tap tap, and now we're gonna make large brushing motion so that we can blend it all in, get the high points, because we don't want any harsh lines, ladies. But out shivering in the cold, squinting our eyes because we're pissed because it's freaking cold. So this will cover it all up. You'll be happy again. No more RBF, which is important because it's the holiday party and everybody's happy. And after you do that, I'm gonna highlight our nose down the middle and everything. Looks pretty good. All right. So next up, we have our Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow brush and pencil. So we'll just take it, brush our eyelashes up so they're all going in the right direction. Same direction. Oh, it's beautiful. Do it to the other side. Oh. Alright. Now, we'll take a pencil and we're just going to lightly fill them in because we don't want a harsh brow. Now I have pretty good eyebrows as it is, and I'm using a blonde pencil, so it's not going to be much of a difference, but some ladies out there, you're not as eyebrow gifted as I am, so you might have to do maybe a little more work. That's okay. To each their own. It'll still look good, still be beautiful. And now, once we've penciled it in, we're going to want to brush it one more time to even out all the lines, so we're not going for that harsh brow. Everything is going to be melded together. Oh yeah, beautiful. Looking good, ladies. All right, now we need all right, so now we're going to grab our K5 eyeshadow palette. Open that bad boy up. Just look at all those amazing colors we have. The naming convention, just very personalized. high quality. It's the reason why it's 5K. It stands for $5,000. I'll take donations of that much as well. We're gonna have a drink because this next step's gonna take a while. So we're gonna go in. We're gonna grab the skin color eyeshadow. Dab dab. I'm gonna put it throughout the entire eyelid. Swirling motions as always. And then, once we think that looks good enough, we're gonna go into Spirit, color Spirit. Now, this is only to be highlighting the crease of your eye, right in the crease. So we don't need as much on your brush this time. Dab dab, get the other side. Symmetry is beauty. Okay. So now, after we've applied those two colors, we're going to go to our third color, which is Hobbit Time. And again, we're just going to lay it over the crease in the eye. Tap, tap, tap. Alright. Next up, we're going to take our Gone Squatching color. And now it's a dark one, so we don't need a lot. And we're going to apply it to the very corners of our eyes to get that shadowy look. We're going to blend it in. Around. We want a shadow. Same thing on the other side. Screwed up? That's okay. We'll just blend it in. There's no bad mistakes. Only happy mistakes. We learn from them all. It's okay. Ooh. Definitely tell I'm not used to that side. Alright. Well, right side's a little more smoky. Took up smoking. Halfway into its life, but it's alright. Next, we're going to take Spirit, because we need to bring it under the eye. Gotta blend it all the way. Okay, now we're going to take our Gone Squatching again. Don't need a lot because it's really dark. We're going to start in the same spot and we're going to blend it outwards. Oh yeah, ladies, that's looking good. Tap tap, go to the other side. Again, we're going to start in the same spot and blend it outwards to meet in that corner. Side to even it out. Nice. Okay. Then we're going to take our level 5 tickle, which is gold sparklies. We're going to put it just in the inside corner of your eyes to make them pop. Need a little more. Ladies, you can use as much as you want. Everybody likes sparkling stuff. So don't hold back. It is gold colored, our favorite color. How we doing? Just a little more. Alright, there we go. Now that we have our beautiful makeup done, we're going to use some Avon True Color setting spray to keep our makeup perfect while we party tonight. Kind of waft it around, let it sit in there, dry off a bit. Next, we're going to take our eyelash curler and curl our eyelashes. Oh yeah. Beautiful clamp, 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 clamp. Curled upwards. Hot. Clamp, clamp. Beautiful. Next up, after our beautiful curled eyelashes, is going to be number 7, mascara. But first, bush light. Alright. I gotta use this mirror here in front of me because the one on my wall is way too far away. Now, spread it on there. Be careful not to touch any part of your eyelid. Oh wow, fabulous. Other side. Oh no, did exactly what I said not to do. Just another happy mistake on the right side. Alright, how do we get that off? Grab a little makeup wipe. Ooh, Q-tip. Little wet Q-tip. Just slowly peel that out there. Attaboy, Mitch. We saved it. We saved it. We're still gonna look good for the holiday party. So that's it for our look today. At this point, you should be on your last drink of your Busch Light, which is the signal that we are done today. I hope you guys enjoys your K5 eyeshadow palette because it's beautiful and sparkly. And we'll see you next time. Bye!